Spring spells the wildflower season. It's a good time to give your native plants a feed to enhance the flowering and to give them a kick along in growth. Australian soils are amongst the least fertile on the planet, and nowhere is this more apparent than the sandy soils of the Swan Coastal Plain. Certain native plant families have evolved a strategy to get around the fact that there's not much phosphate in our Australian soils. Now we, as gardeners, then come along and spray our regular fertilisers, which are rich in phosphate, and all we do is make those particular plants crook. This is a biological plant food that's safe to use on all natives, including phosphate-sensitive grevilleas and wheel of fire trees, as well as South Africa's protea family. This is an ideal time to use this as a planting food. I'm going to plant out this native plum pine using cocoa peat as a soil improver. You can apply it under the drip zone of existing plants. Treat this plant food as a living thing, so it's really important to water it in well to get the microbes activated. With a 6-month slow-release mechanism, you only need 2 applications per year, and it also contains a specially selected suite of beneficial soil microbes and minerals. These help reduce the effect of drought stress and encourage earthworm activity. Also, it's good practice to cover the fertiliser, if possible, with mulch or organic matter to protect the biology from getting exposed to the drying and high temperatures later in the season. And my last suggestion, it's a great time to get out in the garden and enjoy the best flower show of the whole year.